So for students who have trauma impacts, the thing that we need to ensure that we're doing is we need to be assessing and intervening in ways that are compatible with what the brain needs and what the central nervous system needs. So as an example, in our functional behavior assessments, rather than assessing around the behavior itself, we need to be looking at things like their level of regulation and the skills that may be underdeveloped as a result of the trauma that they've gone through. And then when we look at our behavior plans, we want to make sure that we are looking proactively at every aspect of that plan. So we want a proactive regulation plan, a plan that looks ahead of the incident and looks at how can we help this child become regulated when they get to school, stay regulated while they're at school, and re-regulate when they become dysregulated. We also want to have components that look at how are we helping them to manage the activation of trauma that they feel in their body and be able to discharge that trauma in appropriate ways. And finally, we want to make sure that we're building goals around skills. The underdeveloped skills that have been impacted by their trauma, we want to make sure that those skills are the focus of our goals. That when we write a goal, we're looking at the growth of the skill rather than looking at behavior.